Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Zalando application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. And now click on the personal details option. Here tap on the change password icon. You should type in your old password. And your new password. And confirm it by typing it again. Now if you are done with it, press the button Save in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating your password. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.